Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'll be sketching the graph of a trigonometric function. What is the graph of one cycle of a sine curve with amplitude 2, period 4 pi, midline y equals 0, and where a is greater than 0? What is an equation for the sine curve? First, we need to scale the y-axis. So here I see that my amplitude is 2. I think I'll mark 2 and negative 2 here along my y-axis. And for the x-axis, I'll mark equal spaces through one cycle by dividing the period into fourths. Now I see here that my period is 4 pi. 4 pi divided by 4 equals pi. So I know that I need to be moving in increments of pi along the x-axis. So if I begin at 0, and here I have 4 pi, then my other key points will be pi, 2 pi, and 3 pi. We're given that our amplitude is 2, and this means that our maximum value for the function will be where y equals 2, and the minimum will be y equals negative 2. Since a is greater than 0, that tells us that our maximum value will occur before the minimum value. So I can expect a maximum to occur right here, where x is pi and y is 2. Next, we plot our pattern with our 5 key points. Since we're completing one cycle from 0 to 4 pi, I know that at 0, y will be equal to 0. At pi, we already have seen that y equals 2. Coming back down for 2 pi, y equals 0. 3 pi, y equals negative 2. There's our minimum in the cycle. And then for 4 pi, y equals 0. So we use these key points to sketch our curve. And we've sketched the graph of one cycle of the sine curve. Next, we'd like to identify its equation. We can represent the equation in the form y equals a times sine b theta. We know that the amplitude is 2, so we have y equals 2 sine, and then we have to figure out our value for b. To do this, we take our period 4 pi, and we show that this is equal to our amplitude times pi over b. And we solve for b. We can multiply both sides by b and divide 4 pi on both sides. That gives us b equals 2 pi over 4 pi. Pi terms cancel out. 2 over 4 reduces to 1/2. So b is equal to 1/2. So we have y equals 2 sine 1/2 theta, where theta represents an angle measure. So this is our equation for the sine curve. This concludes our example. I hope you found it helpful, and thanks for watching.